guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. If you saw my ColourPop unboxing, then you'll understand what this is. I am doing an Influenster unboxing, but not for one box. But this one arrived today. This one I've had for a couple of days, and I have been testing the product out. The swatches are from the ColourPop video. I only did one hand for a reason. I was going to put the regular shadows on this hand and use the top coat, the gel top coat from this product in order to test out how long it lasts. I will have to include the date on the screen of when I painted my nails because I did take a couple of pictures. This is from Hansen. I'm not really big on painting my nails because when I worked in the salon industry, we had to have acrylic nails all the time, and I absolutely hate getting my nails done. My nails are what they call an oily nail bed, so nail polish does not stick on me. I also have what they call eggshell nails. It depends on, eggshell nails are determined by the shape and how they grow. Oily nail beds is determined by how much oil is actually in the nail itself. My brother just came out the door and scared the hell out of me. So this is from Sally Hansen. These are miracle gels. I got this from Influenster to review. I'm not being paid for any of this stuff, and I will always tell you how I feel. I got two shades. One of them is in Can't Beat Royalty, and the other one is in Hypnotical. So you have the color on one side, and then you have the top coat on the other one. I can tell you that the red one I had issues with. These are super fat, little brushes. Let me go away, bug. Let me show you. Get this out. And this brush was a little on the dorked up side, so there was that. But these nail brushes are super, super fat. Just to show you how wide it is next to a fingernail. So this is very wide. It took 2 swipes to get this on, and then of course whatever touch up you have to do for the edge of your nails. So these are the TW Miracle Gel Nail Color and Top Coat. It says it takes. There's a bunch of colors it says. Let's see. Introducing Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. It takes 2. From the #1 selling gel hybrid polish in the US, Miracle Gel. This convenient 2-step system includes Miracle Gel, color plus shiny top coat to lock in your mani for up to 8 days of color and shine. I have no idea what the hell my brother is doing. His car has been totaled out and he's driving it in the yard. And now he's gonna go block in Dad's other car, so he's gonna be real happy when he comes home from work. Just some tea. Okay, so it says available in 10 gorgeous shades featuring classic and brights to fit your every mood. If you are always on the go, now your Miracle Gel is too. Gel nail colors and top coats in convenient on-the-go packaging that provides salon quality results wherever you go for up to 8 days. And there's an asterisk on that. So I got, there's a whole bunch of colors listed on here. I'll try and see if I can put a picture of this on the screen so you can see it better. But anyways, I got 2 of the colors, and these are colors I would have gone for anyways. Anybody that knows me knows I love this peacocky blue color. But I've had this on for over a week now, and I can tell you that other than my nail growth at the top of my fingers, which I will have to zoom in this in editing so you can see, there's a little bit of growth up here at the base of my nail where of course it grows out of your finger. Other than that, my nails, oh, and a little bit of wearing along the edge of the nail. These still look fantastic, and I'm hard on my nails. So I think that this is going to be really nice for me. What I'm going to try and do is do the other hand with with several different brands on each nail, one on each nail, and then I'll use the top coat from this to see if that also makes a difference. Is it the actual polish formula itself, or is it the actual top coat that's doing it? Because if it's just the top coat, then what I'll probably do is come back and do an actual review video of these and walk you through what I discovered. Because I don't know if they sell the top coat on its own. It looks like they might, because there's pictures of bottles of the top coat down here. So if they do sell that, I will have to look and whatnot, and I'll try and link these two down below that I have. But so far so good. I'm like kind of impressed with these, and I'm not really like a girly girl. Now the box I got today, it's from Zotes Professional. This is the same company that sent me the conditioner that I got, which is the BioTerra conditioner. This is game-changing look, same winning colors, and I actually got more than one color. So let's get into this, because I don't know, I didn't look, I just kind of looked to see what they sent, and there is a whole lot in here. And as a retired hairdresser, I have to say, I have plenty of these, but I appreciate the fact that they sent vinyl gloves versus like latex or anything else, because I'm allergic to latex. So this is a huge bonus in my book that they actually sent like professional gloves. They sent not one, not two, but 3 20 volume developers. Now, my hair is natural right now, except for that little strip that I did of that Schwarzkopf product. So these will only be used on the very tips of my hair. So the very ends of my hair is what I'm probably going to use these on. So I probably will not use all of this. Now, they also sent me a mixing bowl, which is fantastic, even though I don't need it, because I have my my Matrix double mixing bowl, and I've got all my other Matrix bowls and stuff like that from when I worked in the salon. They also give you a brush from Age Beautiful, which is also nice, because if you don't have these supplies, then you're basically set. You have everything that you need to do a brush and bowl application. So as a retired professional in the hair field, this is an amazing thing, because a lot of people would have to go out. It's like $1 something for the bowl, it's $1 something for the brush, and you got to buy the gloves. And these gloves are amazing. What you can do is you can actually like kind of wash them off and then take them off and then let them dry, and you can reuse these until you get holes in them, because vinyl gloves and those neoprene gloves, the blue ones, they wash up really well. We used to take these off and throw them in the washing machine with our hair towels, and we'd reuse them. I mean, that's another way to save money in the salon. So let's see what this says. Influenster, 10 years, Age Beautiful. It says you must disclose in all online posts that you have received these products for free or complimentary for testing purposes. Your review should reflect your honest experience with and beliefs about our products. Well, I mean, it wouldn't be me if I didn't. So, okay, so it says game-changing look, same winning colors with new packaging with unique swatches for easy shade selection. Now with biotin, which is really good. It's a hair growth vitamin. Our professional anti-aging hair color formula helps to nourish and fortify hair fibers for fuller, thicker, and healthier looking hair when used as directed. And there's a bunch of like different models, and they're actually older than me, which is fantastic. They look older than me, like 50s plus maybe. So that's amazing. And there's a bunch of different colors. So they sent me 7N, which is 7 neutral, dark blonde. It says proven to fight all signs of aging hair. This is going to be too light for my dark hair, but I'm glad they sent me different colors. They also sent me 5RR. I do love reds. I used to always do red. So this is medium intense red, and it says these are all permanent hair colors. And the last one they sent was 5N, which is medium brown. This would be really close to my natural hair color. So what I will do is record a separate video of this for like the products. I will probably show you application, talk through techniques. I'm only going to be doing tipping the ends because my hair is really long, and because I want to cut it next year for donation. Doing the ends of my hair, number one, they're the most porous part of my hair, but it also allows me to get that trimmed off so that it does not affect the natural aspect of my hair for donation for wigs for kids. So they were smart, because I have long hair. They did send me 2 boxes of each color. So if anybody is interested, I can do, when I do the video for applying this, because I know I will not use the 7N because it's going to be too light for me. I will do a giveaway for these 2 and one of the developers for it and the kit. So if if you want just a heads up now, you will get all of this for the giveaway, and I will just give away one entire set of the colors, and that is in 7N. So this is going to be like, I'll have to put pictures on the screen so you can see it, but this is for dark blonde. So dark blonde, light brown, and this is a neutral base. So it's not going to pull ashy, and it's not going to pull like real golden. So just a heads up on that. And yeah, that is everything that came in this. I'm kind of excited. Now, what I plan to do next to April when I do, and I've had people ask questions about this in other videos, I keep getting asked about, will I do X, Y, and Z when I donate again, or anything like, if it's gonna be like really short. I have to tell you, I'm trying to get this stuff put back in the box, but now I've dorked things up somehow and I won't be able to close the lid. So just know, next April, there will be a surprise when it comes to my hair. I will be cutting it like I did last time for donation, but there will also be a twist to it. It's not just going to be a donation video. So the process will take a little bit longer than the hour-long session with Amanda with a cut and a blow dry and that kind of thing. Like normal, expect big changes for April next year for my hair. And I'll go ahead and take it down so you can see what it looks like right now. I need to go wash it anyways. So here's my hair right now. And I do plan on doing just the tips of my hair with the color. So just to show you, last time, let me grab some of this out. Last time we cut my hair, which April will make 3 years since my haircut, because I'm already at the 2-year, I already passed the 2-year mark. We cut my hair to here. So even if I cut my hair that short again, I still have like 12 to 14 inches of hair that I can donate. But I was thinking of going a little shorter maybe. And I know I'm gonna get complaints on the video to talk about, like, if I go like maybe up to here, and that gives me about 20 inches to donate. I know no matter what I do with my hair, let me preface this, my hair, it belongs to me. It's on my head. Nobody but me owns it. People are going to tell me, you can't cut your hair. I hate your hair too short. I don't like it when you cut your hair. I don't like it when you pull your hair up. You're so much prettier when you wear your hair down. I clicked out of the video when you put your hair back. I don't give a fuck. Let me repeat that. I don't give a fuck what anybody else thinks about what I do with my fucking hair. It's my hair. I'm gonna do what I want with my hair, and y'all can either sit here and watch the content and enjoy it because I filmed it, because I had fun and I filmed it, or you cannot watch me. It's just as simple as that. You can keep your nasty opinions to your damn self, because I don't fucking care. My other half is fine with what I do with my hair. They have a preference on whether it's a certain length or not. They don't really care what color it is, because I have these natural shiny gray things growing in, and they're perfectly okay with that. They're okay whether I leave my hair natural or if I color it. They're okay with if I cut it or keep it long or trim it or whatever. And to be honest, the only opinion about my hair that matters is mine. So to all you mealy mouth motherfuckers that want to come on my channel and tell me, oh, you put your hair up, as soon as you put your hair up, I clicked out. Bye, motherfucker. Like, seriously, bye. Don't let the double door hit you on the ass on the way out. And I hope it hits you both times. One on each to ass cheek, because you need to leave. I have this like 16-year-old Canadian kid that comes on every video that my hair looks like it's down in and leaves a nasty comment about the fact that it was false advertising that I had my hair down in the thumbnail. Well, I don't pick the thumbnails. I just let YouTube do it anymore. I don't make thumbnails much anymore, because honestly, it takes forever for me to do that. And I edit and upload and do all that shit for my own videos. I don't have time. Now that I'm working 40 plus, actually more like 50 plus hours a week, and doing YouTube, I just don't have the flipping time anymore. I really don't. And I didn't notice a big difference in my channel when I did thumbnails, so I'm gonna have to mark this as a rant at the end, just so people know. Anyways, so yeah, I will do whatever I want with my hair, when I want, how I want, whenever I want. So if you guys leave nasty comments, be prepared. I will come back for you. I will come back and tell you what I feel and think about your comment. Because number one, this is my channel. 2, it is my hair. And 3, you have no control over what I do for either. Just saying that. Now, if you were a member on my channel, then you might have some control as to what I post when, but no control over if I film it or don't. You can make suggestions about what I film, but I do not have to listen to whether or not you want me to film something. I will never record another ASMR for YouTube, period. OnlyFans, I will make an OnlyFans to do ASMR hair content if that is what people want to pay for. But just know I will not talk through it. I will not show my face. I am absolutely disgusted with I will not reply to comments on there. I am absolutely disgusted by how absolutely filthy the comments were on any of my ASMR videos. I had to block certain words because of the filth that was left on those videos. So no more. I will never do another ASMR video. I don't care who asks. So there's that. Sorry for the rant at the end. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. I will never fucking apologize for standing up for my damn self. And here come a couple of motorcycles. At least they're doing a decent speed. They're not doing like 80 already, even though it's a 35 through here. So, yeah. 2 Influenster boxes. 2. One of the products I already have on. And I will do, like, I have to post these on social media and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm excited because I got them. I love the fact that Influenster gives people like me, who has a very, very small following, a chance to test out these things. And yeah, hopefully you guys like seeing it. I will do a separate nail polish video and a separate hair video. If you are interested in watching either of them, leave a comment down below what you want to see first, and then it just depends on what the hell I film first, when I have time. I actually am gonna go get a shower, and I might work like 2 or 3 hours of overtime, and then I'm gonna go crash till like 4:30, and then get back up and then go to work at 5:30. So I gotta save for a house, man. That's information for another video. If you made it this far, leave me an orange emoji. Orange. Leave me an orange emoji. I am Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys are having a fantabulous day or night wherever you are. If you like these unboxing videos, I will try and do more of them. I randomly like forget and get stuff in. I wasn't even gonna do anything with this other than, you know, post pictures online. So I'm glad the other one came in because it gave me a chance to do them both at once. I will see you guys later. Bye.